Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the starter rope on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws securing the starter. Untie the knot to remove the starter handle. Now hold the starter pulley and slowly release the tension on the spring. Use a large flathead screwdriver to unthread the screw, securing the bushing and pulley. Gently remove the bushing and recoil spring, then detach the pulley from the rewind spring. Be aware, the coiled spring may cause injury if dislodged. You can now unwind and remove the old rope. Prepare the new starter rope for installation by tying a knot in one end. Feed the opposite end through the slot in the pulley until the knot rests in the slot. With the knot facing upward, wind the new rope counterclockwise around the pulley. Now reposition the starter pulley in the housing and rotate it until the end of the spring catches onto the pulley tab. Confirm the washer is in place in the pulley and the recoil spring is on the bushing. Then thread the screw to secure. Rotate the pulley counterclockwise 2 or 3 times to put tension on the rewind spring. Feed the rope through the rope guide and use a clamp to hold it in place. Slide the starter handle onto the rope and tie a knot to secure. Remove the clamp. Realign the starter, making sure the pulley engages with the starter pawls. Thread the screws to secure the assembly. Your leaf blower should now be ready for use.